Big time, number 9. Diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the number, that's a lot of crime. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind. Got a sun, smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine. Pockets running over with the dollar sign.
Okay, that's done. Thank you. That was amazing performance by no one else than Yarin Sohan. We will move to the next contestant, Mark Pestar. All right, Yarin, 40 seconds for you. All right, Yarin.
Big time, number 9. Diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine.